Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I will tell you that how we can make online forms using Google Forms like this. Okay, so let us start. Firstly, I will go to any browser. You can use any browser which you want, and after that you will type forms.google.com, forms.google.com, and it will ask for the Gmail ID for sign in. Mine is already sign in, so that's why it's not asking. So before this, you can, if you don't have Gmail ID, so you can make it, because it will ask for the sign in using your Gmail ID. Okay, so after that your form like this will appear in front of you, and these are the following options from these themes. You can select any theme you want regarding which you are preparing your Google form. Suppose I am selecting this, insert, and you can select any theme color or background color from here. Because I want this. Okay, font style I can change from here. You want which type of font you want to show in your Google Forms, so I am selecting this one. Now click on apply, and your form background theme is changed now. Okay, now there is questions where you will type the questions. All the questions will appear here, and in responses with whom you will share the link of your Google Forms after submit. When they will submit the form, you will see in the responses tab their response. Okay, so here is untitled form. In this you will type the heading of your form, that regarding which you are preparing your form. I am preparing for like dance workshop, so I will write here dance workshop, and here I want name of the participant, so I will write name, and name will be in short answer. From here I can select type of answer which I want, that multiple choice I want to give any more than one line I want answer. So from this I can select any type. Okay, I want the answer in picture form, so like this I can share the multiple options are there. So for name I will select short answer. Okay, so now my first question has been written over here, and I will make it required field, so I will click on this. From plus icon I will go to add next question, and now I want that here the timing slot. Select time slot. Here I will give options to the user. Option 1, I will give the time of 11 am. Click on other, and next option I will give here that is 2 pm, and then there is, I have to give 3 options, so I will just write the 3 option, and now I will move to another question. Here I also want this field required field, so I will just click on the required button over here. And now my next question, I want short answer over here. Select day. Okay, so here I will again give some options. Multiple choice I will select over here, and I will write option 1 Monday, Tuesday. My training workshop will be for 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I will write here. I will make this field required field. Again I will click on plus icon for next button, and I don't want this question, only 3 questions I want to ask in my workshop, so I will just delete it. Okay, so my form has been prepared with the 3 questions over here, and now I want to share the link of this Google form with others. So what I will do, I will go here. I want to collect with the email addresses or not, that is your choice. With the email you want to share, with the link I want to share with the link. So I will just go to here, I will shorten this URL, and this will be the Google form link of mine. I can save it anywhere I want, and I can share it with the person to whom I want to share this link. Okay, so I'll just want to show that how this form look to the user. Okay, I will just copy it and I will check it in my next browser, or you can check in your private window of your browser also. See, so this is the Google form which I will be sharing with the users, and they will see the form like this. Okay, so in this way you can prepare any online form using Google Forms. And if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching my video.